Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time coming across one of my videos, I hope that you subscribe and click on that bell so that you don't miss any uploads from me. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful new hair. You guys, I am so excited. I've been wearing short hair for like 2.5, 3 weeks. So to have all these inches, honey, I am super excited. So if you are interested, then stick around. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I am using the hot glue gun method to apply my frontal. A lot of people do so on the frontal, but I was being extremely lazy this day, so I used the hot glue gun, y'all. And it worked out pretty good, okay? So you just want to make sure you have something underneath your cap so that it does not stick to your foam head or, you know, your cloth head or whatever you have. So I'm just pressing that hot glue down to make sure that it's adhering to that cap. I am using a mesh dome cap. This is not the satin version. This is the kind that has like the little breathable holes. So I like these a lot better. So we're gonna move into the bundles, and the bundles look really good at the weft. And I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the tracks and measuring them to see how much I need. Because you are using hot glue, you don't have to really worry about shedding when cutting the tracks because the hot glue does seal that weft. And I'm kind of stacking these, so I do have my weft doubled and I'm cutting 2 pieces at a time. So I did have to apply 2 lines of glue. And try not to rush this because you don't want your glue to dry up before you get to the other end. So I kind of like put glue on half of the track, and then as you can see here, finish it off with glue and then let that part dry as well. And now our track is just adhering to that mesh cap. And you won't have any issues with lifting for a while. You shouldn't. And if you do, you could just glue it back down. It's just that simple. So fast forward, I have used 1 full bundle and this is how that looks. I am obsessed, you guys, with the luster on this. It just looks so nice. I love the color. It's like a, you know, natural brown. Beautiful hair. The hair is beautiful. It behaved beautifully. I mean, it just looks so nice. So I'm excited about this unit, you guys. I kind of wish that I did sew it because the hair is so good. I do want it to last me 4 years. But let's move on to the next bundle. So I did fast forward that because I felt like it was super self-explanatory. Just put the tracks all the way up. This is my last track and I'm just measuring it in what that little bit of piece that's left. And now we're done with the wig, you guys. This took me all of about, I don't know, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. Not long at all because I did kind of double those tracks. Now once you get to the top, you do want to single them so that it's not too bulky. But this takes no time, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the styling, okay? So you guys know when I adhere my units down with the got to be glued method, I do tie them down. So that was me taking off my scarf, and you can see it kind of sticks to that hairline. You have to clean it up a little bit, but I'm loving the hairline. I didn't do any plucking, but I did bleach the knots on that frontal. Now I'm just taking a spray bottle and I'm wetting the hair down because I am going to add a little bit of product. And this is just going to help me, you know, get those waves back popping. Even though the hair is freshly washed, when you are creating your unit, you're going to lose those curls. So now I'm taking my Garnier Fructis mousse and I'm just putting a small amount throughout the hair, making sure to get it on the ends and to scrunch it back up to get those beautiful waves back. And as you can see, it looks amazing. I love this hair. We're gonna move on to the next side and do the exact same thing, but you can see the natural state of the hair when it's kind of like brushed out. That's beautiful too. And I'm loving it, you guys. I can't say enough about it.
we're almost done, and I'm just scrunching it. Like I said, I want to get those waves popping again. And let me show y'all the back and how the waves really cascade down my back, girl. These are just, it's beautiful. I love this unit so much. Gorgeous.
So as you saw in the previous clips, I have in some WestKiss hair. This is the loose deep, and I have in 3 bundles. Now I was sent 4 bundles, which was 24 and 26 inches, 2 of each, and a 20-inch frontal. Sidebar, I don't know why companies only offer 20-inch frontals. That's so annoying, especially when you get long lengths. You sometimes want all one length, but you know, a lot of the times they only have the 20-inch, so you're like stuck with that little short piece and you kind of gotta blend it in. But other than that, this hair is beautiful, you guys. This is in its natural state, okay? The only thing I've done was wash this hair, and I do have an extra bundle because like I mentioned before, I only used 3 bundles and the frontal. So this is a 24-inch bundle, and this hair has been washed. I washed it, you know, I left the little gold thing on there, but I did wash it, and it's super soft, you guys. Not any shedding or tangling or anything like that. Now this is just thrown under my cabinet, so it's a little bit frizzy, but as you can see, the luster on this is beautiful. This really reminds me of like some raw virgin hair. Now it is virgin, but it just reminds me of like raw hair. It's beautiful. I love the wave, and I love how they have the ringlets at the bottom. If you could see that, it doesn't go like into straight ends. Now, one thing I would say is that the ends look really good, but they can appear a bit dry, and I think that's just because of the color. So once they get down to the end, you know, it's just like a few scraggly ends on, and so it can look a little dry. You can either cut that off or just add a little bit of serum to the ends and you'll be good to go. As you can see with the hair being installed, you really can't tell. To me, it gives it a natural look, and I really do like that. So yeah, you guys, I've worn this hair for about 4 days now, and no issues whatsoever. Again, get up and go hair. Y'all know that's my favorite type of vibe, because I don't have time to be doing my hair. So the only thing I have to do is like wet it down a little bit. I can put a little bit of mousse on there if I want to. 9 times out of 10, if I put mousse on it, let's say on a Monday, I won't do it again until maybe Wednesday or Thursday. But daily, I will apply a little bit of a serum just to get a nice shine, because I'm going for that wet look. This hair reminds me of like Nicki Minaj. She had wore some hair, I don't know, she was like out and about. It was paparazzi pic, and she looked so cute, okay? And she had baby hairs and everything, and it was just like deep wave hair. So that's why I did the baby hairs. You guys know I don't tend to go too overboard with the baby hair, but I figure with wavy hair, you can do the baby hair. I mean, let's just give chilly vibes. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? If you got all these waves and curls, then you probably have a lot of baby hair. So I did go with the traditional lace front baby hair. Now, one thing I will say about this lace front, it's not very wide. As you saw earlier, the knots were not bleached at all. I did bleach the knots, and it took okay. I was afraid to over bleach. So I bleached the knots, but I still did add a little bit of concealer in that part just to cover everything up. And the only reason I did the concealer trick was because I forgot to put like my powder foundation underneath. Usually that's what I do so that I don't have to do that concealer trick, because I feel like the concealer is very obvious. But it looks pretty good. I'm really loving it. I'm loving the luster. I'm loving the length. Y'all, I'm feeling myself with this long hair. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video, you guys. I'm loving it. If you have any questions, definitely leave those in the comment section down below. I'll also leave all the links to this hair and the specs, you know, for the hair that I am wearing. And yeah, you guys, let me know how you feel about it. You liking the long hair on me? I'm loving it. But anyway, y'all, so I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.